Picture this. Your home glowing in spooky orange and purple for Halloween, warm amber tones for Thanksgiving, and dazzling red and green for Christmas, all with just a tap on your phone. That's the power of the InvisiLights RGBW Smart Lights. Every year, homeowners drag out tangled Christmas lights, replace burned out bulbs, and risk their safety climbing ladders. Permanent lighting tracks look amazing, but they are costly and not everyone wants them on their home year-round. InvisiLights RGBW Smart Lights are designed specifically for seasonal use from October through December. They give you the look and performance of a premium lighting system, but without the cost or the commitment of permanent tracks. Installed with our removable Invisi-Clips, they go up quickly in the fall and come down just as easily after the holidays. Control every single bulb individually with our easy-to-use app. Change colors, patterns, and effects instantly. Create your own custom light shows or choose from dozens of built-in patterns for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Perfect for homeowners who plan to move in the next few years or for renters who still want a professional quality lighting experience. You can take your InvisiLights with you to your next home. HOA friendly, weatherproof, and built to shine through the entire holiday season. Want to switch from a spooky Halloween look to cozy Thanksgiving tones to a festive Christmas display? With InvisiLights, it's as simple as opening the app and choosing your favorite design. Your home can match any holiday, event, or family tradition, all with a few taps. You can purchase InvisiLights RGBW Smart Light Kits directly and install them yourself, or ask your local Christmas light installer if they offer InvisiLights. However you choose to set them up, it's the smart, flexible way to make your home shine from Halloween through Christmas.